Hello, everyone. It's Matt from SHAFTEL Law, and today I'm talking about TN visas. TN visas are fantastic visas for Canadians and Mexicans. They're created by a treaty between the US, Mexico, and Canada. Originally, that treaty was called NAFTA. It was recently replaced by a new treaty called the United States, Mexico, and Canada Agreement, but it left unchanged all the visa provisions for the TN. So those remain the same. They're a fantastic visa for Canadians and Mexicans because first, they're not capped like H-1B visas, the most common kind of work visa we see in the US, which means Canadians and Mexicans can apply for these throughout the whole year. There's no lottery, there's no limit. There's also another important distinction between H-1Bs and TNs. H-1Bs require any four-year university degree and a job that's related to that degree, like a connection between the degree and the job. TNs, in contrast, just list all of the professions that are included for TN status, and you have to fit within those categories. You have to be a professional in the category and have the required degree. So I want to take a look at that professions list. I'm going to share my screen real quickly. So here's the list. Let me make sure there's no blockage from these windows here. You can also find the full list on SHAFTEL Law TN Visa. If you put that into Google, it'll take you to our list on our site. I've highlighted some of the more common ones or interesting ones we've done, but you can see they kind of break it up into general professions: accountants, computer systems analysts, engineers. Engineers is broad because it can include any type of engineering, including software engineers, which is considered kind of a more advanced profession than just a CSA, a computer systems analyst. They break it down. Oh, let me just comment briefly on management consultants. This is one of the few kind of business-related degrees. The problem is you can't work directly for a U.S. employer. You have to kind of be in a consultant capacity, which is really fleshed out with the regulations. But we do use this when a company needs to bring somebody over to solve one problem. So they're an interesting kind of solution for some companies. There's a bunch of medical professions that are listed. We commonly do nurses and veterinarians, but all of these have come up from time to time. And then there's a bunch of scientist categories as well. And you can see the list here as well. So you must fit within one of these categories and have the required education, which is listed within the regulations, which is usually a degree in most cases, but not all cases. Finally, I did want to mention that you do need a job offer from a U.S. employer, just like an H-1B. TNs are not for self-employment. They are a fantastic option for Canadians and Mexicans, available year-round. So if you have any questions about TN visas, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.